Hi, I'm Mr. Worker. Discover the Chauvin Arnoux PEL51 Power Logger, your ultimate solution for managing energy consumption. This compact powerhouse allows you to optimize energy efficiency without interrupting power. With TRMS voltage and current measurements, you can track every detail with precision. The backlit multi-view LCD ensures readability in any environment. Plus, its magnetic body fits perfectly in tight electrical cabinets. And thanks to the MA194 current sensor, accuracy is at your fingertips. Real-time monitoring is a breeze with Wi-Fi connectivity and PEL transfer software. Say goodbye to wasted energy. Make the smart choice with the Chauvin Arnoux PEL51 Power Logger today.
Mr. Worker, work tools for professionals.